1998 GMC Savana with a 5.7. It's got a ticking noise, knocking noise. You can hear it. So I took the screwdriver and I put it to my ear. All around here on the block and up here in the block right below the driver's side valve cover gasket. In the rear of the engine right here. I'm on the inside of the vehicle, the van. Took the doghouse off, as you can see. I tried putting the screwdriver over here, on top here, here. And I can definitely hear a loudest audible click with my ear to the end of the screwdriver when I put it right there. I don't know, let's put it to the phone and see what happens. Probably nothing, I don't know. But anyway, that's where I can hear it the most. That's it.